Hi everyone, I'm Fahada and today I will be unboxing the June Yallah box. So let's get into this. Oh, I should probably do the right way around, or I just immediately started holding it upside down. Yes, I did. Alright. We have, oh, another one of these little face jewels again. Got one, I think a couple months back. A pretty little zipper coin purse. It says Jerusalem on it. Not sure if you can see that. If you can't, then I will insert pictures later. We have a little cozy. This belongs to, I assume you can just write your name on there. It's made out of like a foam, an insulation type foam. And oh, this is pretty. It's a tiny little container. Looks like a silver pomegranate. That is really pretty. It feels like metal as well. And then the pretty shiny that I see. Oh, before that, bracelet. Light bracelet. I don't know if they have different sizes for different people. It looks tiny enough for my tiny wrists, which I am always happy about. And I can't clip it right now, but yes, looks like it's gonna fit, which I appreciate. Although, considering the chain, if you did get the box and something like this didn't fit, you can always just put another chain extender on there, which you can buy pretty readily at most stores. And here we go. The shiny that was making noise. A very pretty hip scarf. Look at that. It has a very faint, I don't know if you probably can't pick it up on the camera, but it has a very, very faint flower pattern on it. Sort of a faint white with the blue and the sequins. This is super pretty. I really like this. I don't have any hip scarves like this right now, so I'm very happy. So yeah, that is this month's Yallah box. I am super happy with it. If you have gotten the Yallah box, let me know if you got the same stuff and how you've been liking it, because I know I have been liking it. Hope you all have a great day. Subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, bye.